Monday is kuwa mbere. Tuesday is kuwa kabiri. Wednesday is kuwa gatatu. Thursday is kuwa kane. Friday is kuwa gatanu. Saturday is kuwa gatandatu. Sunday is ku cyumweru. January is Mutarama. February is Gashyantare. And March is Werurwe. April is Mata. May is Gicurasi. June is Kamena. July is Nyakanga. August is Kanama. September is Nzeri. October is Ukwakira. November is Ugushyingo. December is Ukuboza.